And this is what your Windows 11 25 H2 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to customize your Windows 11 25 H2 Explorer, taskbar, start menu and desktop as well. So let's dive into the video. First, you have to download and install the software called Windhawk. After installation, you'll see an interface like this. And now we have to install some mods. Click on Browse for mods. First, we are going to use Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on Details and install it. Okay, then go to this folder. Go to Mods folder and copy this taskbar styler. Then go to your advanced section and paste it here. Then click on save. Then we're going to install Windows 11 taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it. And copy this script. Then click on advanced and paste it here. Then click on save. Now we're going to install taskbar top on Windows 11. Click on details and install it. And now we're going to install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on Details and install it. Then click on Settings and in here you have to select Windows 10 Minimal. Then click on Save. Then install Windows 11 Explorer Styler. Click on Details and install it. Click on Settings and in Theme section you have to select Minimal Explorer 11 and then save. Okay, then we have to install Resources Redirect. Click on Details and install it. And then click on the Settings section and in here you have to select One UI. Then click on Save. Then click on Yes. So it will apply the icon back. And now I'm going to set up the dock. First go to this folder and install Nexus dock. Click on Yes and then click on OK. Then install it. And then uncheck this box and click on Finish. Then go to this dock folder and copy these icons and paste it into C drive. And then double click on this Nexus icon to run the dock and click on Nexus icon. Now we have to configure it. Click on Advanced and click on Restore and select this dock backup file and then click on Apply and OK. Okay, now install Rainmeter. Click on Finish And here is some default skin. Just right click on it and unload these skins, and then install this Rainmeter skin. Click on close. Okay, now if you want to add some blur effect, you can try this tool called Blur Maker. Just right click on it and unzip it. Then cut this folder and go to your C drive and paste it here. And then right click on this register file and click on run it as administrator. Then click on yes. So it will apply the blur effect, and then go to this folder again and go to release folder, open config file and show line, make it true to false, then click on file and save. And for the minimalist look, you can hide your desktop icon. Right click on it and hide desktop icon. And this is it. This is how we can transform your Windows 11. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.